Hi, this is Ravi Shankar Jaiswal. I am very grateful to Dr. Madhu Chopra and Priyanka Chopra for giving me an opportunity to work as an associate producer in this film, Bam Bam Bol Raha Hai Kasi. And I appreciate the decision that they wanted to start a production house and their dream is coming true. And first project which Dr. Madhu Chopra and Priyanka Chopra has chosen is Bam Bam Bol Raha Hai Kasi, a regional film for which Bhojpuri industry, all the members of Bhojpuri industries are grateful to them. And everybody is working very hard, very hard. And today we are at the end of the schedule. The superstar Dinesh Lal Yadav is highly excited. Amrapali Dubey, she is the lucky girl for Bhojpuri industry. And we have followed a trend of Purple People Pictures of launching a new comer in always, at least in every project. So here the discovery is Antara Banerjee, and then we have many celebrity artists of Bhojpuri industry like Mr. Sanjay Pandey, Mr. Manoj Tiger, Mr. Prakash Jais, Seema Singh has done the item song. So all the team are very excited, and we are looking forward for a great blockbuster. Everybody has given their heart and soul, and Priyanka Chopra ji has given us all facilities. She has told yes to all figures and everything, and the production values we have tried to meet as per her standard, as per the quality. There is no vulgarity in the film. It's a decent film, a family film. That is our try that we want to touch in the range of Nadia ke Paar and all that. And we think the audience will give us response. Audience will love us because honesty always pays. And everybody has a positive energy in the unit. Either he is a star cast or he is a crew member. There is no person who is not working with heart. Everybody is working with heart. No mind games are here, no politics are here. All pure work is going on. So we are hoping for the best, and I am thankful to again Dr. Madhu Chopra and Priyanka Chopra for giving me this opportunity. And Santosh Mishra has done a very good job. Dinesh Lal Yadav, Amrapali Dubey is far more than I expected, and even Antara Banerjee as a debutant has done a good job, and all artists are very cooperating, all crew are very hardworking. I am grateful to all of them and to all of my team, and I am proud of my team. And I hope this project to be a very successful, and Priyanka Chopra ji give us a green signal for two more projects in Bhojpuri. So we want to go for a hat trick. Thank you. Thank you.